Is Dewlora's 4-in-1 CO detector legit, or just another online gimmick? Let's unpack the facts, fast. This device claims to protect your home from carbon monoxide, methane, propane, and even keeps tabs on temperature and humidity. I checked recent 2026 customer feedback, and here's what you really need to know. First, the tech. Dewlora uses high-sensitivity sensors, catalytic combustion for gases, and electrochemical for CO. If things get dangerous, you'll hear a loud 85 decibel siren and see intense red flashes. It's tiny too, so you can plug it in at home, toss it in your RV, or bring it to your next Airbnb. But is it reliable? That's where things get a bit murky. Most users say setup is a breeze and love the peace of mind. One even credits Dewlora for catching a blocked flue that other detectors totally missed. But I've seen reports of faulty units, like dead batteries, screens that won't power up, and some that set off alarms over harmless kitchen smells. For power, it's plug-in only, no battery backup. So if the power goes out, you lose protection unless it's plugged into a live outlet. What about support? The company has responded to complaints with refunds or replacements, which is a good look. Still, Dewlora sits in the off-brand zone, so long-term reliability is, well, not the same as First Alert or Nest Protect. So, should you get one? If you're budget-conscious or need a travel-sized backup, Dewlora's 4-in-1 offers solid features for the price. Just don't make it your only detector, especially if safety is non-negotiable. Want total peace of mind? Brands like First Alert or Nest are still the gold standard. That's my rapid review. Stay safe and always double-check your detector.